Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make flowers using sand. These are colored sand available in any craft store. So for this, we need a flat tray, wooden tray, and I have picked 4 colors, you can see. And I'm going to make the design using my 4-finger tip as well as the tip of this HB pencil. So let me start. So I took the pink sand, pour some onto this tray, and I use my fingertip, go like this and make rounds all around the middle part. So this is one flower. Next I took orange, then pour some. Oops. That's okay, don't worry if you pour more, so we can make a bigger design. So I go to the middle, do this, then all along I move my finger like this. So this is another flower. Let me go to the yellow one. So I'm pouring some yellow sand. So I'm doing the same way first, then I will show you different design. So now I go straight with my 4-finger. So now what I do, so I pick each area like this and then move with my finger, make into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. So this is a flower. So you can put some contrasting color here in the middle. So now I'm going to use the tip of the pencil like this and move along each area. So this is the flower. Same way I can go here and make it on here, and here I can go and make some other design. So let us make some leaves. I'm using the green sand, so I'm going to pour like this, one this way, one that way. So I'm going to make 2 leaves. So let us go like this, like a leaf. You can make same way here. So these are the 2 leaves. So you can put a little bit of this pink color to show a small flower here. Okay. Now I'm going to make flower here. You can make any way you want. I showed you anyways. So these are the 4 varieties I have made. I can show one more. So let me use pink again. So this time again I will go like this. So I'm going to use the pencil tip here, a little bit, not too much. So let us put some contrasting color here, yellow. Okay, again I'm using the pencil tip. In each area I'm going to push like this. So this is another flower. So these are the flowers and some leaves. Thanks for watching.